Yo, Big Jimmy, what do you say we do something crazy today? Welcome back to Diecast Resurrection. Today we're going to work on a mini. Check out this little casting I have. 6017 Mini Cooper China. That's it. So I don't know what brand this is, but it's another one of those little castings that's just got the right stuff, you know? But it's not going to be a regular build today. We're going to get crazy. Is that a dash in upside down, or is it just my knees? It'd be tough to drive that thing. Oh yes, add it to the collection. Today's mission: take this little mini and we're gonna fit this in there, obviously, so the blower's sticking out of the hood and then these pipes are coming out the side. It should just fit perfectly, I think. Just gotta do a little bit of trimming to make some room. It's gonna be ridiculous. I need the Dremel. There's the 15 mil mark. We just cut this magenta out, and then this will be just gone. Let's do this. This is gonna be fun. I haven't done anything like this in a long time. I was thinking about doing a Union Jack paint job on the roof of this thing as well. I don't know how hard this is going to be to get in. Woohoo! Woohoo! We're almost there already. I need more room for that belt, but this is going to be sweet. There we go. If we just have that pulley sticking out like that, would be perfect. Sweet. If I could just glue that like that, it'd be perfect. If it just sneaks together, which it almost does. I miss doing this kind of stuff. Let's see this time for sure. This time for sure. Not, I mean, just not. Sir, your dash is in the way of our blower. Scusi. Alright, here's where I'm at. Yeah, I'll show you how I attach things here. That's your base. I was going to go with the interior, but I had another brainstorm that was going to be better, so I attached it to my glass. And that's not going anywhere. She's on there. So now it's just orientated perfectly every time. So we use a lot of super glue on our channel, obviously, for various things. I'm sure a lot of you guys too. So we're fortunate enough to get a super glue sponsor called Starbond. So they make all kinds, thin, medium, thick. They even have colored ones. Part of the reason why I'm bringing this up is to let you guys know that if you use Jimmy10, you'll get 10% off any Starbond orders. So check out starbond.com for all your glue needs and get yourself some savings. And so I'm going to be trying out some of this stuff today. I think we'll probably go with medium. 2 lids, a bunch of micro applicators, and an anti-clog little cap with like a needle in there. It's perfect. Pull off weight cover. Oh, okay. So when I'm done, boop, that'll just keep it fresh. And then I got a couple of these to use up if I'm doing real small stuff. Well, hell yeah. That's a step in the right direction. Thank you, Starbond. What? Oh yeah, jeez, I forgot about these pipes. Gotta have the pipes, man. Alright. Just cut some slots in here. Should work perfect. If I just glue them on like that. Good thing we got all this glue. Starbond accelerator. Aerosol. Okay, what am I gonna do here? I'm gonna figure out some wheels. Yes, I need something kind of drag racy looking, so let me see what I got. Pro Street. Yes. Got some Toyo Tire Big Meats. I have prepared our base. I've got 2 axle tubes. I've got our headers. And the only thing I did here was I connected the interior to the glass So now I think we should strip this and start doing some paint. This is going to take a while. This white paint that's on here probably would have just been a good primer, to be honest, but it looks like it's stripping pretty easily, so. Can hear it. Damn, this thing's getting thick. Oof. I think this is good to go. I'm going to go clean it up. A little wire brush. I'll be right back. There we go. Got some tapes. Probably enough. We'll bring that one just in case. So we're going to put this on the roof. Let's see here. I don't know if this is interesting to watch or not. Maybe if I get it a little bit closer to the camera. Alright, I got our blue section pretty well taped off. It was a little bit tricky. I got a little bit quiet, so I just turned off the camera because I was focusing so hard on doing what I was doing. So we'll go spray this blue. And then I'll take off half of this masking. And then we will go back and spray the red. And that should be done. Should be cool anyways. If I don't screw it up. I kind of divided out the space that was on top of the roof here for the flag. So it's going to be just a little bit out of scale. It's going to look a little chunky, a little fat. But that's alright. This is a chunky little model. I ain't worried. It's still going to look good. Alright, let's see what we got here. So far so good. Sweet, I know that doesn't look like much, but that's a win for me. I got another 64 Impala we got to do here, so this little intricate stuff will be come in handy for all of that. Alright, that's looking pretty good for freehand and eyeballing it. This is definitely one of the more intense masking jobs I've done, but I actually like doing stuff like this. Alright, let me grab some blood red. I'll go give this a spray, and then I'm going to two-tone this and blue the bottom half of this car. And then I'll probably come back and do some details. So. Check this thing out. What is this creation? Glue, glue, glue. Yeah, it's looking better, looking more like real chrome now. Got that anodized pulley. Glee, 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 glee. Sweet. Alright, I think I'm ready to do an assembly here. So what do you guys think of that creation? I love it. I'm into doing wacky stuff like this. You know, things that you just wouldn't normally see. I'm into. I love this thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a like if you did. Stay tuned for a new 3D Man Corner episode this weekend. And other than that, yeah, I'll see you Monday with another car video.